Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect a Windows 10 device that's running on VirtualBox to the Wi-Fi network. Now I have this Windows 10 virtual machine that's running on VirtualBox, and I would like to have this connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the host machine. Now there is a settings change that needs to be done. I can right click on this Windows device and click on settings. Then under network, now by default, when you install Windows 10 device, you're most likely going to have it. You're most likely going to have this network adapter option set to not. And what this means is that this virtual machine is gonna share the IP address with the host machine. But in case you want your virtual machine to have its own IP address, or if you want this virtual machine to have its own IP address that it's gonna receive via DHCP, you'll need to change this to the bridged adapter, and then you need to select the name for the Wi-Fi interface on your host machine. Now to determine what the name is, there's two ways we can do that. I can right click on this icon here, the network icon, and then go to network and internet sharing. And then the Wi-Fi name is right here. I can click on this arrow, and then under the properties, click on this arrow again, scroll down, and then under description you should see the name for the Wi-Fi interface. Another way we can check it is by using the control panel. We can search for the control panel here. Open the control panel, click network and internet, click network and sharing center, then go to change adapter settings. Here you'll see the network interfaces on your machine. And for instance, this is the wired interface. For the Wi-Fi interface, this is the name right here. Now that you know the name, you can go to your settings on the on VirtualBox, and you can come here and select it from whatever you have on the list. So as we saw, this is for the wired interface. If you wanted to get an IP from the wired interface, this is what you use, but we want to get an IP from the wireless router, we'll use this one. Okay, once you have that selected, click OK to apply the changes, and now you can power on the virtual machine. We'll power on the virtual machine, and then we'll log in and verify that we have an IP address that's unique from the same, that's going to be within the same subnet or network, local area network as our host machine. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now here, I'm going to open the command prompt. I'll type cmd. To check the IP address, I'll use ipconfig. And I'm getting 192.168.1.213. Okay, /24. I'm going to open the command prompt on the host machine. It's a Windows 11 device, and I've run ipconfig as well. So for the Wi-Fi adapter or the Wi-Fi interface, I have 192.168.1.120. So it's on the same subnet. The IP address is different. This is .120, and as we saw here, this is .213. So they're on the same subnet. Last thing you can do, you can verify that you actually have internet access. Open your browser, or you can ping a website here. Ping google.com. I'm able to ping google.com. So I do have internet access. You can verify. So let's go ahead and go to some website here. Okay, that verifies that indeed we do have internet access. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect your Windows 10 virtual machine that's running on VirtualBox to the same Wi-Fi network as your host machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.